Well, I finally finished this bird feeder. Took me a little while. Put a little thingy on there so I could hang it. Dang it. Yeah. Put these little guards on the bottom to hold food in. Yeah, came out all right. What do you think? A little whole food? I think so. Ooh. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll come out here and clean this shop back up again and get this place squared away. I planted some more potatoes there this morning. It was a bit chilly out, but it was like 47 when it came out. Now it's up to 55, so it's warming up. I went down, broke down, bought some more bird food. I said, well, I'll take a chance on the bears. Birds look hungry, so I bought a small bag. Give them a treat. I bought another bell to hang up. I got a fruit one this time. It's a blueberry one. See if they like blueberry. Yeah. So my next project is going to be my covered bridge, which is going to be a very slow progress because a lot of it is gluing and pegging, and that'll probably take me a month or so to get that done. Maybe longer. I don't know. Thing is, you got to do a little bit of an area, then let it set and dry for 24 hours before you move on to the next one. Back in my younger days, I had one whole room that I had my HO train in. Yeah, had mountains and tramway cars, all kinds of stuff. My worst enemy was the cat. For some reason, that cat thought it ought to knock everything right to hell. Yeah, he thought that was his room. Get up on top of that mountain, wait for that train to come through, and you give it a whack with a paw, and they'd go flying off the track, and I'd chase him out of the room, and, well, he's a lot faster than I am. He finally died of old age, but since then I don't do any more railroading, but it was a lot of fun. I've always been fascinated by trains, and every chance I get I could go riding on them. I went on the one in New York. I thought it was going to be an hour trip, but after an hour I asked the conductor, I says, this was supposed to be an hour scenic view. So, oh no, this is all day. We won't be back till 10 o'clock tonight. I says, oh shit. I gotta go tell my wife that now. She's going to be pissed. She hates trains. So I said, guess what, honey? Train ain't getting back to the station till 10 o'clock tonight. We're going to have a lot of fun, aren't we? If you could have seen that look on her face, you would have probably would have scared the man right to death. I went up to see her yesterday. Gave her lots of hugs, and her husband died here Thursday of a heart attack. Felt really bad for her. Says she don't know what she's going to do. I says, well, give me a call. I'll mow your lawn or whatever you need to have done. I'll do it. Always have and always will. That's what good friends are all about. Yep. Well, enough of me gabbing. I just wanted to show you this and see what you think. And see ask if it's pretty enough to hang up, or should I put it on the wood pile. All right, catch y'all later. Have a great day.